Hi everyone, welcome back. I am so excited to show you guys this darling house. We are at 1434 Brangus Way in Santan Valley, and we are getting ready to bring this house to market. First of all, I can't wait to walk you up the front walk, and I'll tell you why in just a minute. Anyway, this is a 4-bedroom, 2-bath, single story, perfect little house, view fence in the backyard. You're gonna super enjoy all the updates and upgrades that they've made to this house. I just love the refreshed garage paint and front door paint. So let me show you probably one of the favorite things about this house. When I helped this buyer purchase this house the first time, and now we're selling it, this right here was my favorite part about this entire house. Just for a minute, I want you to think about what you could do at Halloween with this space. We've got the front patio here, and then we have this fantastic walkway. And I am thinking the most amazing, like, haunted house scenario here. But anyway, let's head on in. Let me show you all the really great things that they've done to this house and what you can expect here at 1434 Brangus Lane in Santan Valley.